Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a quick review and a first impressions look at the Honda Odyssey Touring Edition. In this video, I'll be going over the exterior and interior features of the Honda Odyssey Touring and telling you about my own personal opinion on it. Now, first and foremost, as you can see, if you take a look at the Odyssey, it looks incredible. Now, I've never been an owner of a van, but if I had to choose a van to own, I would definitely choose a Honda Odyssey because they simply look incredible. If you take a look at the front end, it looks astonishing and it carries that classic Honda Odyssey look. So it takes the good and great old Honda Odyssey looks, but provides some new modern designs and futuristic upgraded looks to it. As you can see, the headlights, the front grille, the front end simply looks absolutely amazing. Everything down to the fog lights and that little trim at the bottom looks incredible. If you take a look at the engine right here, you can see it's a 3.5 liter powerful engine. I mean, you can't ask for much more with regards to a van. You're getting a van, a family-friendly vehicle that is offering you quite a bit of power. Now, if you take a look at the back end, it also looks incredible. It offers you a lot of space, a ton of trunk clearance, and the back end looks very classic to the Honda Odyssey look. It keeps that older Honda Odyssey look with regards to the styling, but adds some modern design to it. And what I like about this Honda Odyssey Touring Edition is the overall shape. I like the cutting edges. It looks amazing. It's a perfect combination of curvature and pointedness, in my opinion. Even the rims, if you take a look at the rims, if I just saw those rims on a vehicle, I would never guess that those rims were being placed on a van. They look very sporty and very functional. The mirrors look absolutely amazing. Everything about this vehicle looks absolutely incredible. If you take a look right over here, you can see that we're going to enter into the front driver door. Now, you can see that the doors are nice and big, which provides you with a lot of space to get into the van. And if you take a look at the door panels themselves, full of functions and features. Now, I sat in the driver's seat and it is super spacious. And that's one of the things that you should be looking for if you're considering getting a van. You're looking for space. The dashboard looks amazing. The steering wheel controls are absolutely awesome because you can pretty much control the majority of the main functions that you'll use regularly when driving the van on the steering wheel. You can see the center console looks incredible. Everything is oriented towards the driver and the passenger, giving you optimal control for both. And there's a ton of space down there. Look at that space between the driver's seat and the passenger seat. Like I said, if you're looking for a van, this van is going to offer you a ton of space. It's absolutely incredible. This is a look at the back area of the van, the back seat area. And as you can see, when I take a step inside of it, you'll see that it's very, very, very spacious. Now, I'm not super tall, but if I was tall, I would still have a comfortable amount of space within the van, okay? So you can see right here, it looks amazing. Tons of cup holders, lots of functions for the passengers so that the people in the back seats are going to be just as comfortable and it's going to be just as convenient for them as the people in the front seats. And you can see there's a ton of space back there. I'm about 5'7.5", but if I was even several inches taller, I would still probably feel really spacious and comfortable in the back seat area of this van. So that's what I like about this van. And once again, going back to the exterior features of the van, the styling is incredible. Overall, I believe that it's an awesome van. You're getting a lot of power, a great engine with good horsepower and torque capabilities, amazing exterior styling, amazing interior styling, tons of features to work with, and convenience and comfort for both the driver and all of the passengers in the van. Really, what more can you ask for in a van? So I really like this van upon first looking at it. So I did some more research about it and I just wanted to make this video about it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.